Sleep is very important for the body. It is the time when the body repairs itself, and helps in growth. It is said that humans need at least 8 hours of good sleep on average. But with our current lifestyle, we are sleep deprived. Getting a good night's sleep helps us to be happier and more productive. So here's some tips to help you get a good night's sleep. Avoid drinking tea or coffee late at night. Stop smoking, as nicotine is a stimulant and so it can make it difficult to get to sleep and stay asleep. Go to bed at the same time each night so that you set a routine. Use a good mattress, which supports your back and has orthopedic properties. Check out the description for our suggested mattress. Use dimmers on your light switches, and dim the lights in the hours before you go to bed to mimic the change from daylight to nighttime. Avoid taking exercise in the evening. Try to exercise early in the day to promote a restful sleep. Try using affirmations, such as "I let go of the day," and enjoy a restful, peaceful sleep. Repeat this several times while you prepare for sleep. If you can't get to sleep after a while, get up keeping the lights low and do some reading until you feel sleepy. Alcohol may help you get to sleep, but you are more likely to wake during the night feeling thirsty and needing to go to the bathroom. Try relaxed breathing. Breathe slowly and deeply, concentrating on your abdomen rather than your chest. Get your allergies checked out, particularly if you wake craving particular food in the middle of the night. Avoid stressful thoughts and emotional topics just before sleep. Try a herbal tea. Chamomile, passion flower, lavender flowers or valerian are good, or take a herbal supplement such as skullcap or valerian. For a more detailed view on how herbal teas are helpful, watch our video on green tea on the channel. Put the essential oils lavender and clary sage on your pillow and inhale their soothing vapors as you sleep. Try some flower remedies. There are lots of different types. In the flower remedies, you might like to try vervain if you find it difficult to switch off from the day, holly if anger and resentment keep you awake, white chestnut for persistent unwanted thoughts, aspen if you wake because of nightmares. Try holding your frontal eminences, the bumps on your forehead, about halfway between your eyebrows and hairline, if you are awake because of stress. Try taking supplements like magnesium and calcium, which can work well. If you suffer with hot flushes, flashes, try some natural support for your endocrine system at this time. Many alternative and complementary therapists have success with people with sleep problems. Find a local therapist and ask them if they have experience in this field. Sleep problems can be a sign of an underlying medical condition, e.g. thyroid problems or depression, so get this checked out with a suitably qualified health professional. Let us know in the comments what keeps you up at night. Like and subscribe to our channel.